You are warmly welcome to my this review. So let's begin the review for Instagram Influence. What is Instagram Influence? This is a very detailed step-by-step video series called Instagram Influence. These 40 over-the-shoulder videos will give you the skills to powerfully promote and grow your business. There's no fluff here, just actionable steps to succeed. Simply put, becoming an Instagram influencer creates so many money-making opportunities you won't want to miss out on. Instagram Influence Benefits. You will learn in this course. 1. How to get started with Instagram and understand its enormous potential. 2. How to completely transform any business using the platform the right way. 3. How to avoid the common mistakes most business owners make. 4. How to quickly configure your profile for maximum exposure. 5. How to use the interface and configure the settings for immediate results. 6. How to use Instagram features for an unfair advantage. 7. How to use only the images that work best and crush your competition. How to find the images that will become viral, over and over again. 8. How to drive floods of Instagram traffic straight to your sites. 9. How to get massive exposure just by using the correct posting strategy. 10. How to easily boost your traffic using techniques never seen before. 11. How to use the Instagram's advanced features for mind-blowing results. 12. How to become more efficient and speed up your output using this platform. 13. How to get the fastest results and save months of wasting time. 14. How to remove all frustrations and time-consuming activities. 15. How to apply automation using simple tricks and tips. 16. How to master every aspect of Instagram so that you can claim expert status. 17. How to generate even more revenue through product and services you promote. 19. How to stay on top while other businesses struggle to keep up with you. And so much more. Instagram Influence Price. Instagram Influence front-end price is $47 to $67. In the market there are so many courses is very costly and sometimes that courses can't give you the benefit, but in the Instagram Influence you will learn many things in one course and its price is also low. Instagram Influence Launch Date. Instagram Influence will launch at December 6, 2019, make a reminder to get the course first. Instagram Influence Conclusion. Instagram Influence is a complete package what you need to influence your Instagram traffic and make money. This course price is very low and give you huge benefits, so make the decision for buying it and influence your Instagram. Thank you for being with my this review.